Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to mention someone in comments on Google Docs. So to start with, you want to open up your document that you want to mention someone in. And this is useful if you're like a business owner or editor and you want to leave a comment for someone in particular. So once you're on your document, you can comment on like whole paragraphs. So I can click to add a comment here, or I can comment just on one sentence in particular. So highlight the section that you want to add a comment and mention someone in. Then I'm going to click on the plus add comment icon. I'm going to write what I want to say to that person. And then to mention someone, you need to use the @ symbol. So if their email pops up, that's great. You can click on that. But if it doesn't, you can add in their name. And if you have their email saved, it will pop up. And you can then click on that email and click on comment, and that will mention that person in the document. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.